After the harvest of sugarcane, the dry leaves called sugarcane trash are burnt in the field itself because they are considered to be useless. Appropriate Rural Technology Institute developed a process for converting the sugarcane trash into charcoal. This portable kiln is taken to a place where sugarcane trash, leaf litter or other light biomass is plentifully available. The trash is filled into 7 stainless steel barrels like this. Each barrel accommodates 3 kilograms of trash. Do not compress the biomass to fill more than 3 kilograms. After filling the barrels, close their lids and fix them tightly on the barrels by means of binding wires. The lids have a hole each. Now you see the interior of the kiln. Place this half barrel into the kiln at its center. Fill trash into the kiln like this. And place the barrels loaded with trash upside down into the kiln. Then place the lid of the kiln along with the chimney on the kiln. Clean the area surrounding the kiln of all loose and combustible matter. The kiln is then fired like this. Sprinkle water around the kiln to prevent accidental fires. Initially, the kiln produces smoke, but after about 5 minutes, the smoke subsides. The heat of the kiln heats up the trash inside the barrels so that the trash gets pyrolyzed. This process produces a combustible gas which emerges from the holes in the lids of the barrels and burns below the barrels. This adds to the heat and drives the reaction further. While one set of barrels is being heated, fill trash into the next set of 7 barrels and keep them ready. It takes about 45 minutes to complete the charring of one set of barrels. After 45 minutes, remove the lid of the kiln and sprinkle water on the barrels and also wet the interior of the kiln. This would prevent the residual fuel in the kiln from igniting again. The barrels have been provided with handles like this. Lift the barrels one by one out of the kiln with the help of the handles. The barrels should not be opened immediately, as the hot charcoal formed in them may catch fire. After removing the barrels with the char, load the kiln again with fresh trash and fill fresh barrels into the kiln. Then place the lid of the kiln along with the chimney on the kiln and fire it as before. The earlier set of barrels gets cooled while the new ones are being loaded and fired. After cooling, the barrel should be turned right side up and after removing the binding wires, the lids should be opened. You can see that the trash has been turned into charcoal. 3 kilograms of trash yield 1 kilogram of charcoal. This charcoal should later be collected in sacks like this. While working with charcoal, one should wear a mask and hand gloves. By operating a kiln continuously for 7 to 8 hours, it is possible to produce about 50 kilograms of charcoal. Now let us see how to make briquettes from this char powder. For making briquettes, we use 1 kilogram flour for every 10 kilograms of char. The flour is boiled to make paste out of it. This paste is mixed with the char powder and then the mixture should be taken to the briquette extruder. Feed the mixture slowly into the extruder. You can see how briquettes come out of the machine.